ALADDIN the MUSICAL. Walt Disney, the studio that brought audiences the animated film Aladdin, have now taken their musical version to London's West End. Aladdin has been a huge success since first opening on Broadway in New York City. Now, the Prince Edward Theatre in London invites audiences to be part of the magic and enjoy the show that brings life to the adventure in a dazzling new way. Directed and choreographed by Casey Nicholaw, who has worked on various hit shows in recent years, Aladdin is a thrilling musical which is sure to leave you amazed. It stays true to the story of the film, where Aladdin is a young street kid who falls in love with Princess Jasmine. However, our hero is saved by a magic genie whose lamp falls into Aladdin's hands. Some films don't transfer to the stage very well, but you won't be disappointed with Aladdin. The cast, which includes lots of talented performers, give amazing performances. All the routines are stunning, the choreography is top-notch, and the acting is superb. This new stage version of a timeless classic is one of the best musicals you will ever see. So, what are you waiting for? Book your tickets to see Aladdin today.